Today is an exciting day because I'm getting my Samsung fridge delivered. As you can see, they've taken the old fridge out, and since it's in the truck, they've taken the new one out. And because my doorway is about 30 inches wide, they're taking the doors apart. Easy for them, and now they're putting it back together. As you can see, the black stainless steel looks amazing. This is a family hub, and it gives you two options so far, English and Spanish. It gives you terms of use. Let's agree to all. And then it gives you the network settings to scan Wi-Fi. Well, let me set it up. And it has a speaker here, so you can hear music too. Now it's asking for a Samsung account. I'll set it up. As for the inside, it has LED lights and they're bright white. And according to the instructions, the cooling mechanism goes through the back of each shelf. The shelves themselves, they're made out of glass and they're easy to take off and put back on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves on this side, and on the other side the same thing. On this side, you could actually move this shelf down. Not this one, none of the other ones you can move around. Pretty nice and big space on the bottom. There are 2 of them. Here are your veggie section. And here is the filter. It doesn't take a lot of space down here, so it's a plus. Here is the cost for a year, $83 estimated. Here are the instructions for the installers themselves. And here is the Icemaker. You can get your ice directly from this bin. So you could take this off. Here are some instructions about the Icemaker. There's more storage space on these too. So it looks very spacious. You have plenty of storage. Unfortunately, the shelves here, you cannot take them off either and put them somewhere else. But you have plenty of shelves. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves on this side. And the chime is letting me know that the door is open. Here underneath this is the camera. And I'll take a look at the camera and the functions of the camera afterwards. But for the time being, this is the inside of the fridge. It looks pretty cool. The lights are under and there are LEDs so they don't get warm. And there's plenty of space down here too. It looks very nice and neat. Very spacious on both sides. A lot of space on the shelves of the doors as well. And there are different measurements on all the shelves. I'll post the measurements so you can know exactly what they are. On this screen you can set up different users with different avatars, different colors, different pictures. It's really up to you. So I've set up the fridge and it gives you the time, date. The pictures on the front you can change either to the stock pictures that are included, or you can upload your own pictures using the application on your phone to the Family Hub app, upload them to the fridge, and then change them accordingly whenever you want. And every user can do that too. Check the weather. It's cloudy outside, so you can play music from Spotify. You have some recipes here, calendar, more notes on the calendar. Your next screen has also the time. You can draw things on this application. Their word of the day. It tells you that the door is closed. It also has other applications that you can install on your fridge. It tells you a little bit about the fridge, the temperature. It's not as cold right now because it just got delivered not long ago. You have the board, you have Pandora, you have Amazon. And here you can make some changes to volume, the screen, how bright or how dim you want it to be. Settings. So you got plenty of settings here. On this screen you could also look inside the fridge and you can see what's inside on the bottom shelf, and then more clearly on the other shelves, these three. Then from here you can tap and make a shopping list, memo. You have different options. You could go back. And here it would be your food list. And you could always go back here, and then you have also a timer, pictures, more applications, and you can put all kinds of things in here. And we have right now 2 phones that are set up with the music, and you can play the music from one or the other. And of course, the screensaver will kick in a few minutes. The screensaver right now is just the weather, and then after a few minutes it just goes blank, so it turns off. But you can change that to whatever you like. To dispense water, all you have to do is press one of the buttons. This is the water. And I like how it's like a soft touch. You don't have to press it hard. And just push the back. As for the ice cubes, the crushed ice. What I would have liked to have is an LED light here pointing down. Once the lights are off, if I come and get some water, there's no light. The good thing is that if you're passing by the fridge, if you come across in front of the fridge, the screen itself lights up. Not a deal breaker, of course, but that's one thing I would have liked on this side. And as you see, the screen is off now. You went to sleep. And if you come near to get some water, or if you come across it, it turns on. I didn't even touch anything. All I had to do is just walk by there. We've had the fridge for about a week already, and we really like it. I like the black stainless steel. I like the clean look of the fridge, especially because it doesn't have any handles that take up more space. You can reach and open the doors from either side. You can customize all the screens on the fridge. I've also used the speaker to play music from the fridge. I've also used it to play music from my phone using the Bluetooth, or I can make phone calls using the microphone on the fridge and using the speaker. There are a lot of widgets that I can use on the fridge. Of course, I haven't gone through all of them, but you can use them, move them around, personalize the fridge, including all the applications that you have here. You could also use the Bixby. The fridge itself is very spacious. The setup on the inside of the fridge itself, it's a lot better and cleaner on the Samsung. I hope you liked the video and I hope this helps you. Thank you and enjoy.